If you see the IE code on LG washer, it means your washing machine is having trouble filling with water within the expected time. This can happen for several reasons, including issues with the water supply, a blocked hose, or freezing temperatures affecting the pipes. Causes of the IE error code: no water supply. The most common reason is that the water is turned off, or there is a supply issue in your home. Hose problems. The water supply hose might be bent, twisted, or disconnected, preventing water from flowing into the machine. Frozen pipes. In cold weather, the water inside the pipes or hoses can freeze, stopping water from entering the washer. Faulty water valve. If none of the above issues apply, the problem could be with the washer's water inlet valve, which may need professional repair. How to fix the IE code on an LG washer. Step 1. Check the water supply first. Make sure the water is turned on at the faucet. If the faucet is closed, turn it counterclockwise to open it. Step 2. Inspect the water hose. Look at the water supply hose connected to the washing machine. If it is bent or twisted, straighten it out to restore water flow. Sometimes the machine's vibration during washing can cause the hose to bend, restricting water entry. If the hose is severely bent, turn off the water, disconnect the hose from the machine, and carefully straighten it before reconnecting. Step 3. Check for frozen pipes. If you suspect freezing, try gently warming the affected area with a hairdryer or heating pad. Do not pour hot water on frozen pipes, as this can cause them to crack. Step 4. Test the washer. After checking everything, restart the machine and see if the error disappears. If the IE code on LG washer still appears, the water inlet valve may be faulty and you might need professional assistance. By following these steps, you can often resolve the issue and get your washer running again without the need for costly repairs.